Kids will love this combo addition to their swing set accessory parts. Imagine how your children will enjoy their outdoor playground playset and exercise in the backyard for fun. Yes, their outside playscape will be improved. Fully assembled swingset trapeze bar with rings and heavier 2/048 chains, 20 plastic coated, and includes trapeze bar, green powder coated with chains, and 2 steel carabiners. Upgraded easy grip triangular plastic green rings attached below bar with reinforced metal insert. Please see fourth picture. We highly recommend the use of swing hangers that are designed to allow for relatively friction-free back and forth motion that swings require. Using a stationary fixture, such as eye loops, will cause metal-on-metal friction and is a safety concern and are not recommended. Designed for residential use, not intended for commercial-grade use, attaches easily to Jungle Gym Kingdom swing hangers, sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent products. We used 4x4x10s for the legs and we purchased the Jungle Gym Trapeze, 2 swings, 3 sets of heavy-duty swing hangers and the Eastern Jungle Gym brackets for wood swing sets. All the items are above expectations, excellent products. We used 4x4x10s for the legs and a 4x6x12 for the beam. We had to sand down the beam a tad to get it in the bracket, legs fit snug. We added chain to the swings to fit the 10 legs, easy because the swings, trapeze and hangers all come with the easy detach hooks, you have 2 per chain. Handy when swapping the toddler swing and regular swing. We built the frame on the ground and then stood it up and hung the swings. I am writing this review because the reviews on this site were invaluable in planning our swing.